Let's go ahead and clean this glass countertop. First, we've got this Weiman glass cooktop cleaner. This works really good to get some of that hard to get off caked on stuff there. We've got a magic eraser, and then we've also got a razor blade to get anything else that needs a little bit more motivation to get off of there. So the first thing that we're going to do is clean it off, and I've got a towel for that. We're just going to go ahead and clean this off with a little bit of dish soap and a rag just to get the surface area clean, and then we will get the Weimans on there and we'll get to scrubbing. So I'm just getting all the crumbs and any other grease. I think we cooked some bacon on here. We got some bacon grease on there. And so, all right, there's that. And that was just Dawn dish soap that I used to clean that off there just to begin with. Now we're gonna go ahead and squirt our Weimans on here. And I like an S pattern here. And then for this is where the magic eraser comes in. I'm gonna get this wet, and I didn't rinse it out. I would just give it a little squeeze, but I like a lot of water here, and I'm just gonna go in a circular pattern here to scrub the stove top here. And back and forth, up and down, all around. All right, now this is gonna loosen up all of that caked on stuff. One of the big problems here with the glass stovetop is any sugar really does a lot of damage there. Magic eraser is really gonna get a lot of it off of there. And then for some of that really stubborn stuff, I'm gonna use the razor blade. Now when I use the razor blade, I like a lot of liquid. Okay, and then you can just go back and forth here and really around each burner get anything that's really crusted on there will really come off with the razor blade. I like to use a lot of liquid when I've got the razor blade going. I've done this so many times. It's hard to keep track, but it does a really great job, the razor blade, of getting any kind of sugar's the worst, boil overs. And follow up with the magic eraser, really agitate it, and then if you wanted to use a scouring pad, you could also use that. So I'll just keep scrubbing here a little bit, basically 10-15 minutes or less, doing some scrubbing. And that will really clean it up, and it will look very nice again. And that is how you clean a glass stovetop quickly and easily with a razor blade, magic eraser, and Weiman's cooktop cleaner. And once all is said and done, I'll just come back with a dry towel and dry everything up to get a nice clean surface here. There you have it. Super easy.